Hey Miami, are you trying to get out there and be active this summer, but you're having some shoulder problems and it's feeling tight and limited and you're not able to do what you want to do, even with the simplest things like taking your shirt off and for the ladies putting their bra on, oh my gosh, and for men putting that belt on, right? So one of the biggest key issues, like if you're taking off your shirt, like I'm gonna take off my shirt right now for you. Well, wait, no, I wasn't really gonna be naked under here. But that is a sign. If you're bringing your shirt up like that and it's bothering you right here, that is a true indication of some kind of shoulder issue. So, and of course, coming back here to get that bikini top on, oh, you're starting to feel it. Everyone does this like tuck and roll just to get back there. Women do that for their bra, men do that for if they're trying to put their belt on. So one of the best key stretches that I can show you to help you with that is to stretch up here. Okay, I'm gonna do it in my beautiful, summer body. Yes. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna clasp your hands behind your back, okay? One of the key things is if it hurts, you're gonna wanna tuck your belly in and roll your top in, and that actually can make it worse, okay? So if you can, clasp your hands behind your back and just stick out your chest, okay? Straighten out your elbows and pull your shoulder blades as far back as possible. And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna lift your hand off of your butt. Oh, that feels so good. Now, if you can't do it, that is a little bit more of a problem, and I would suggest you leave me a comment below and I can show you even more stretches that can help you before you get to that one. But if you're just feeling a little tight and not too painful, this is a great stretch to make sure that your shoulders stay healthy so you can get your bikini top on, get ready for the summer. All right, leave me a comment if you want to see more stretches to help your shoulders stay healthy.